I'm attaching the ring to this planter using a 2-inch wooden ring, and I just made sure all the hangers were straight, and then I am now wrapping the remaining yarn tails around the ring and through all 4 hangers. And I'm going to do this with each yarn tail. I'm going to do it 4 times. But each of these times I'm going to make sure that I'm going through all 4 of these hangers, just to make sure it's nice and sturdy, because these plants tend to get heavy with dirt and sometimes ceramic or terracotta pots. So I just want to make sure these are really sturdy. So just keep wrapping and sewing through all 4 of the hangers with all 4 of the tails from those hangers. I'm gonna make sure all my yarn tails come to the back so I can sew them in all on the same side. I mean, weave them in all on the same side, excuse me. And I'm making sure I'm doing this incredibly tightly as I can with this cotton. That's why I chose cotton for these, is because they're just a stronger fiber. There's less stretch to it. It's also, I feel like it's easier to clean. You can throw it in the wash and it won't get damaged as badly as like acrylic does if it gets washed several times. So that's the 3rd, and now 4th. And again, just making sure you're getting all of these hangers in there with each strand of yarn. I'm wrapping it through the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, each time I'm sewing it through. And now I'm going to double knot these. And then weave in these ends down the hangers. But that's what it should look like at the end.